So a question we get asked often is augmented reality or virtual reality right for my organization? And the quick answer to that is it's not right for everyone. In many cases, we like to break it down and say that it's a great use case when looking at things like soft skills, so handling sales conversations, managerial type conversations, difficult conversations. It's a great way to practice and allow users to become confident and comfortable with those types of situations. But it's also great for technical training. We can provide realistic job previews, we can reduce onboarding time, and we can introduce them to safety incidents and show cause and effect to reduce those injuries that may occur on the job. We never look at AR or VR training as a way to completely replace what you're doing, but it is a great way to enhance what you may already be doing. One of the things that we like to say is we're the first ones to tell you if it's not a fit because it will not provide the value that you think it might. But we welcome a conversation to learn more about what you're doing for training today and see if we can add value.